Hey everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we're going to be creating this purple and white loaded drip cake. These super tall cakes are really trending at the moment with family and friends, so I bring you guys yet another one. I have 3 8-inch cakes. I have cut them all in half, so we have 6 layers of cake in total. Halfway through, we're going to add in some bubble tea straws. I've got 5, one in the center and then one square arranged around that central one. This is just going to support the weight of the rest of the cake. Because it is so heavy, you want to divide it in this way to make sure that it stays standing solidly without the layers kind of compacting in on each other and the buttercream seeping at the sides under the weight. Continue to build on the cake, and then when you're ready, create a crumb coat, trapping in all the crumbs. Smooth it out and then bring that top lip towards the middle. I recommend popping this into the fridge for at least 20 minutes to let that set before applying your final layer of frosting. I've colored my buttercream with gel food color in violet. For the very top section, just the half, I'm going to add in some white frosting, and then towards the bottom, I'll go on with that violet colored buttercream. Smooth it out, filling in any pockets as you go, and then when you're happy with the outside finish, drag that top lip towards the middle. You are now ready to create your drip. I recommend going in with a white chocolate ganache. This is really easy to pipe on. I like to start right in the center, and then I'll pipe until it's about 1 centimeter or so away from the edge. Give your turntable a little bit of a shimmy to help settle the chocolate, and then create your little drips along the side, connecting that piped drip back to that main puddle in the center. And that main puddle is going to continue to feed the drip and create a longer and longer kind of effect on your little drips on the side of the cake. If you guys are interested in our cake decorating classes, I'll have them listed in the description box for you. And then before adding any decorations, I recommend popping your cake in the fridge for the ganache drip to set for about 20 minutes. I've added on some meringues and macarons, stuck them on with some buttercream, and then edible gold dragées with gold dust covered Maltesers. If you have edible glitter, you can go ahead and spray some all over your cake for added luster and effect. And that's it. Your loaded ombre drip cake is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and easy tutorial. If you do recreate it, I would love to see how yours comes out. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. And feel free to view our classes as well. We're now running lots of recorded classes. I'll leave that linked in the description box below for you. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next one.